Hello and welcome back to Mahi English classes. I hope you are safe and well at home. Now today we are going to see the chapter adjectives. How to form adjectives, the degrees of comparisons and all. Hello and welcome back to Mahi English classes. Now we are going to see adjectives in detail. The adjectives describes the noun. So we will see what are the different kinds of adjective. First is adjective of quality. Now quality means किस type का, किस size का, किस color का, किस shape का. They describe the size, color and shape of the noun. They answer the question what kind of a thing is this. Okay, like the old man walked down the dirty street. Now here old and dirty is your adjective because it is describing you about the man who is old and the street which is dirty. Like this is a beautiful skirt. Now beautiful is describing about the shape, the color, okay, the quality that the dress is beautiful. Second point is adjective of quantity. They describe the quantity of uncountable nouns, not the countable. How much? They answer the question, how much? Much rice is wasted on the way to the storehouse. Means the quantity, much house, not the exact amount, but it is uncountable. Much. Much is considered as your adjective of quantity. Then comes your adjective of number. Now they describe the countable nouns. Number describes the countable nouns and they answer the question how many. There are many children in the park. Okay, so here many will be considered as your adjective of number. Then next point is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrate करना, show करना. These adjectives are used to point out specific nouns. This, that, these, those are demonstrative adjective. Like that house is mine means I am showing the person that that house is mine. These books are mine. These books are yours. This is your house. Now I am pointing towards the thing. So this is demonstrative adjective. Then possessive adjectives which shows the ownership of the noun. They came from nouns my, your, his, her, its, our and there are possessive adjective like the dog dragged its tail. Means its is the dog itself. Whose tail? The dog's tail. This is my house. Whose house? My house. Now interrogative adjectives are used only in the form of questions and are always accompanied by noun what, whose, where, why, how and which. Okay, now what, whose, where, when we start the sentence with these words, the sentence is changed into interrogative adjective. Now what are proper adjectives? Proper adjectives are those adjectives which are derived from proper nouns. Like proper, what is proper noun? Proper noun is that in which the particular name is given. And they often describe the origin or the source of noun. Origin means beginning. Proper adjectives are more less adjectives of quality. The Egyptian country, the Egyptian's culture flourished along the Nile river. Now here Egyptian is the proper adjective. Okay, now we will see the next point, distributive adjective. What is distributive adjective? When we divide something. Okay, now these adjectives are usually used to refer to the members of the group as individuals like each, every, either, neither. Now here suppose for example either Ram will go or Ravi will go to the park. That means any one of them will go to the park. So here Ram and Ravi has been individually said. What is emphasizing adjective? When we put a pressure on something. These adjectives are used to emphasize or show strong feeling. Okay? Just for example, I broke this glass myself. This is simple. I myself broke the glass. Now you see the tone of the speaking of the sentence is different. And in the second part of the sentence, I myself, I am putting a pressure on the word myself. So this is emphasizing. The another example, I was horrified to see the sheer wastage of food in the boutique hall. Sheer means dher sara. Okay, now here it can be said that it was horrified to see the wastage of the food at the boutique, but we have to use adjective. What type of wastage? Dher sara, sheer. So sheer will be considered as your adjective. Now we will see different formation of adjectives. Now adjectives are formed by adding something to it. But first we will see what is suffix. Suffix is that when we add something to the main noun afterwards. Like wood, we add en, it became wooden. So here wooden will be considered as your adjective. In the other word also talk, we add tive. It becomes talkative. So talkative is your adjective. Now there are different words in which we can add and it becomes adjective. Able, less, full, y, ish, ed, al, ic, ive, ous. Now when we add these letters to the main noun, it will change into adjectives. Like for example, we add less to care. So it becomes careless. So careless word is your adjective. And as when we add less to it, it is changed into adjective. Now we will see degrees of comparison. Now the 3 degrees are positive, comparative and superlative degree. Now positive degree is the first case in which no comparison is made in the positive degree because there is no other one, only single. Like he is a tall man. Now here in this sentence there is no one else. So he is a tall man. Who is man? He. So here we are talking about singulars. So tall is considered as your possessive degree. In comparison degree, we compare between 2 nouns in the comparative form. Then we use than into it. Okay? After the adjective of comparative degree. Okay? A comparison is made between 2 nouns in the comparative form. We use than to make the comparison and we mostly add er at the end of the adjective to form its comparative degree. He is taller than his cousins. Now here cousins is the second noun. So within whose comparison? He and cousins. So we add er to the tall word. So he is taller than his cousin. So we use than after the comparative degree. The third is your superlative degree. Comparison is made between more than 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. The word the precedes the adjective in the superlative form. That means before the superlative degree we use the word the. Like he is the tallest of all cousins. Okay, of all cousins means more than 2. So in the tall we add est to change it into superlative degree. Now there are certain points that we have to keep in mind. Negative comparison using not often use positive degree of adjective. That means in the positive degree We cannot use the positive degree when there is not. He is not as cheerful as his sister. When making a comparison at the same level, we use the positive degree of comparison. This book is fascinating as the previous one. Means here we are talking about the book. So here we can use the positive degree of comparison. When one noun is singled out in a group, we use the superlative degree. This is the best story in the entire book. Means when the noun is singled out of the group. Means अगर मान लीजिए क्लास में A ग्रुप है, B ग्रुप है और हम A ग्रुप में से कहें कि ये पर्टिकुलर पर्सन अच्छा है, then we will use the superlative degree. Usually adjectives with more than 2 syllables, more or most, to form their comparative and superlative degree, like 2 syllables. First, understand what is syllables. When the word is divided into parts, 2, 3, 4, like intelligent, beautiful, beauty, and full. There are 2 syllables. Okay, intelligent, intelligent, 3 syllables. Then we add more to the comparative degree and most to the superlative degree. Okay, and we use the word in the same way, like intelligent in the comparative degree, more intelligent in the superlative degree, most intelligent. Then some adjectives do not take the regular forms of comparison. These adjectives are called irregular adjectives. That means we change the word in the comparative and superlative degree. Like in the positive degree it is good, then in the comparative degree the word is totally changed and it changed into better. Then in the superlative degree again another word is formed, best. So in this way these are called irregular adjectives. Now order of adjectives. Adjectives in the sentence are usually arranged in a specific order. First is quantity or number, then second quality, then size, age, shape, color, origin, purpose. Now we will see the sequence arranging of specific order. Quantity, we don't use a. We use like in the form 3, not in an, then 2. Then quality, beautiful, gorgeous, amazing, good looking. Size, big, king size means the biggest one, tall. Then age, old, young. Shape, oval, circle. Color, red, white, red and white. Okay, origin, Italian, Egyptian, Russian. Purpose, sports, leather. किस purpose से ले रहे हैं? Noun, car, plates, sofa, men. I hope you have understood the chapter adjectives. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and you can comment in a positive way also in my channel, My English Classes. Please do take care of yourself.